and welcome to this week's episode of Makosi Today. I can't believe it's like March already. Where did January go? Where did February go? I mean, some people say January and February are the same year, but to me, I think January is January, February is February, and I can't believe it's March already. I'm filming this from Nairobi, Kenya. I don't have a crew as usual because I've been getting a little bit more busy. Like I get really busy and I don't want to miss any episode of Makosi Today. So I hope you guys have registered to come to Ghana for breaking through your limitations with Africa's #1 life coach. I can't help but to talk about what I was thinking about on my way to Nairobi, Kenya. So when I was on my way here, I just started thinking about dysfunctional families. And when I started thinking about dysfunctional families, the first thing that came to my mind was maybe parents are divorced, maybe parents are gamblers, or maybe parents are addicts, drug addicts, or alcoholic, whatever you name it. But I never thought of poverty to be dysfunctional. So I had to look within myself. I mean, I don't come from a poor family, but I don't come from middle class, neither do I come from rich. And I noticed that, before I started going through coaching and everything, my decisions were made through the lens of poverty. What will keep me from not making any money at all? What will take me away from financial security? So for a very long time, we've thought that coming from a dysfunctional family means coming from like a broken home or whatever. But I actually do think that coming from poverty can be, dysfunctional. And we do look at life through the filter of our experiences. So do come to Ghana, because those are the kind of things I talk about in my personal breakthrough sessions. Come to Ghana if you have issues with goal settings, because the goals you don't set are the goals you do not achieve. So we're talking about goal setting, the importance of goal setting, and some actually go away with a goal setting package where I would have gone through a session with them, depending on how much they're paying for the session. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Makosi Today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. One more thing, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything Makosi Today.